Eugenio Oliveros Torre, born November 4th, 1951, is a Filipino chess grandmother. In 1974, at 22 years old, he became the first Filipino and non-Soviet Asian to qualify for the title grandmother. Torre did this by winning the silver medal in the 21st Chess Olympiad in Nice, France. He is considered the strongest chess player the Philippines produced during the 1980s and 1990s, and played for the Philippines on board point one in 17 chess Olympiads. In 2021, Torre was inducted into the World Chess Hall of Fame. In a tournament in Manila in 1976, Torre was then the only one to beat the then reigning world champion Anatoly Karpov in a game that has become part of Filipino chess history. In 1982, he gained a spot in the World Chess Championship candidates matches, where he lost to Zoltan Ribley. He served as Bobby Fischer's second in the 1992 match against Boris Spassky in Yugoslavia. In October 2017, Torre won the 8th edition of the Asian Senior Chess Championship held in Auckland, New Zealand, in the 65-plus category, scoring 9/9 points, a clear 2.5 points from joint second placers Kiwi FM Ewan Green and fellow Filipino Edmundo Legaspi. One year later, in 2018, he retained his title by winning the 9th edition of the Asian Senior Chess Championship in the same category in Tagaytay, Philippines, where fellow Filipino I am Chito Garma won the 50-plus category. By virtue of this victory, he represented the Philippines in the 27th World Senior Chess Championship 2017 Open 65, where he tied for second 10th places, eventually placing 7th after applying the Buckles tiebreaks, scoring 8.0 to 11. In 2020, he played for the Rizal Towers of the Professional Chess Association of the Philippines. Torre was a friend of Bobby Fischer. He worked on Fischer's team in the 1990 rematch with Boris Spassky in Yugoslavia. Much later, Torre conducted interviews with Fischer on Filipino radio DZRH, MBC Sports Center. Those interviews gained notoriety for Fischer and despair for his fans, as he believed he would be killed in the United States. After being deported from Japan, Torre was involved in 1996 when Fischer Random Chess was launched. interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.